In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size on Wix Studio. If you're building a site and want a clean, consistent look, the smartest way to control text sizing is by editing your site's text styles instead of manually resizing individual text boxes. This keeps your headings and paragraphs uniform across every page and saves you time down the road. Start by opening the editor and clicking the Site Styles pane on the left. This is your central hub for global design settings. From there, go to Typography. Here, you'll find all the controls that shape how text looks across your entire website. Inside Typography, you'll see the Text Styles section. Think of this as your site's style library. Heading 1, Heading 2, Heading 3, and so on, plus Paragraph 1, Paragraph 2, and Paragraph 3. Each of these styles controls every text element on your site that uses it. So, when you adjust a style here, your changes apply everywhere that style appears. To change font size, select the style you want to adjust. For example, if your main page titles feel too large, click Heading 1. You'll see options related to that style. Focus on the size control and increase or decrease it until it matches your design. As soon as you make the change, every instance of that style updates automatically across your site: home, about, blog posts, and more. This is the power of global styles. One change, consistent results everywhere. You can repeat this for other styles as needed. Keep a clear hierarchy in mind. Heading 1 is typically your largest page title. Heading 2 works well for section titles, Heading 3 for subheads, and paragraph styles for body text. Maintaining this structure improves readability and accessibility, and it helps search engines understand your content. If you're not sure which style a specific piece of text is using, click the text on your canvas. Then, look to the Inspector pane on the right. Find the Style dropdown, and it will show you exactly which style is applied. That way, you'll know which style to adjust back in the Site Styles panel, or you can switch that element to a different style if it makes more sense. As you fine-tune sizes, aim for comfortable reading on both desktop and mobile, and consider line spacing so paragraphs feel open and easy to scan. That's all you need to change font size in Wix Studio using text styles. By working at the style level, you'll keep your site consistent, flexible, and easy to maintain. Thanks for watching, and happy building.